Hello, welcome back to Felix here. Tonight, it's doing storm clearer. Look at the grass. I got told today that the flooding was up to here. That means we had 15 feet of floodwater in the back garden, width-wise. Well, 12 feet, sorry. Basically, from there to there, the entire way down, the entire way across here, down here, all the way down here, as it goes downhill, out to the front, and then the same thing. There's light. That was underwater. Look at how flooded it is. This isn't part of how bad it's been at the worst bit over the last few days. All that would have been underwater. Colour. All the way down here. Look at that dirty watermark. Look at that dirty water line. Oi! Oi! All that was underwater. See, that's still underwater. But look at this grass. Look at it. It's up to there still. Anyway, I'm gonna get back in now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.